Mr. Scott is planning a pizza party for 273 people. He plans on 3 slices of pizza for each person. How many slices of pizza does Mr. Scott need in all? So, if you want to walk through this, stay tuned because we're going to go through it together. But I set up an area model for everyone because we are multiplying 3 times 273 to figure out the total number of slices. So I'm just going to switch pages. I wrote our equation here, and I am going to split this hundreds charts into 3 groups to show the 3 times our 273. So the first group is going to be the first row, and then we have this. So we have 1 group, 2 groups, 3 groups. So the first thing I'm going to do on my area model, I'm going to switch back, is 3 times 3. So 3 times 3. So that means I have 3 groups of 3. So I'm going to drag my base 10 blocks, and I'm going to put 3 in each group. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And then again, 1, 2, 3. So you can see this is 1 group, 2 groups, 3 groups. So I just did this section 3 times 3. Now I have to do 3 times 70. And 3 times 70, we know, can be the same exact thing. I'm just going to type that right there so we know. 3 times 70 is the same thing as 3 times 7 tenths. So I'm going to put this here as a reminder. And then I'm just going to add this here. We did 3 times 3 ones in this section. Okay, so now we're going to do 3 times 7 tens. So I'm going to put 7 tens in each group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then I'm going to do that again. I wish I could go faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then 7. So that's in our second group. This is our first group. And now our third group, we're going to do the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Perfect. So I have 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7. So this, now I have to move to my hundreds, which if we look at our chart in our open array model, we're doing 3 times 200. So 3 times 200 we can also represent as 3 times 200s. So I am going to grab 200s and put them into each group. So I have 2 in this group, 2 in this group. Sorry, they're kind of squished together. I'm going to stack them. So now there's 2, there's 2. Oh, now there's 4. I didn't mean to do that. Okay, ignore that. 1, 2. And then this is 1, 2. Okay, you can get the picture even if it's not completely working, but there should be 200s in each group. Maybe if I move this over. So here's 2 are stacked together. There's 2 here, 2 here, 2 here. So we did this first row is 200s, 7 tens, and 3 ones. So we know that equals 273 because that's the number we're multiplying. I'll write that here. So 273 is all of this together. All of this row together is 273. Pardon the messiness. And then our last group we also represented 273. So we represented 273 3 times because we're multiplying 3 times 273. So now I'm going to count my ones. So I have 3, 6, 9. Okay, so I have 9 ones. 9 ones. And I'm going to